Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find top apps on your Android phone. So if you want to find the apps that are trending right now or the top apps, you can go ahead and you can open up your Play Store on your phone. So you can easily find it. Once you're in the Play Store, you want to ensure that you tap on apps right here, as you can see. At the bottom, you tap on the apps, and at the top, you will see the option there that basically shows top chart. So as you can see, top chart, you tap on top chart and you will find all the apps currently in your top chart. So as you can see right now, my number one app right now is ChatGPT. And you can scroll through right now, the Olympics is going on as well. So you can find even Olympic apps there in the list as well. So this is how you can find the top apps. So depending on where you're living, where you are, you might find some similar apps just like myself, or you will have different apps showing up in your top apps, right? So it's a whole list, guys, as you can see. I'm scrolling, even at 70 right here, 100, and it goes on. I don't know how much it will show, like to what extent, if it's to 200 or 300, but you will find all of your top apps right here. And this is not only for apps, the same goes for games, as you can see, and other stuff, right? So this is how you can quickly find it here on your phone. So this is it. If you're looking for the top apps, this is how you can easily find them on your Android phone. Very easy and very simple.